Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourself. Please subscribe the channel and also please do like and share and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Today I am going to talk about the schemes of Bank of India which is financing to existing business. Bank of India financing to existing business. Bank of India provides various services like working capital, finances, term loans, trade finance, etc. to expand your business. Now I am going to share the details of Bank of India, Star Equipment Express Loan, Star SME Contractor Credit Loan, Star MSME Education Plus Loan, Star Logo Udyomi Loan, and Trade Receivables E-Discounting System. Bank of India Star Equipment Express Loan. Target Group: individuals, proprietorship, partnership firms, LLP, company. Purpose: purchase of commercial equipment for the purpose of captive or commercial use. Note: second-hand equipment are not eligible under the scheme. Eligibility: existing borrower with minimum 3 years of experience in business. Account should not be in SMA1 or SMA2 during last 24 months. Minimum CBR or CMR is 700. Nature of facility: term loan repayable in EMI or non-EMI form. Quantum of loan: minimum rupees 10 lakhs and maximum rupees 5 crores. Margin: minimum margin is 10%. Security: hypothecation of equipment financed. Registration of banks charge with RTO and in RC book wherever available. Collateral: minimum CCR of 0.50 or CGTMSE coverage as per extent guidelines or minimum FACR of 1.10. Value of equipment can be considered for calculation of FACR. Tenure: maximum tenure is 7 years, including maximum moratorium up to 6 months. Rate of interest: at the rate of RBLR plus 0.25% onwards, as per CMR. Now, Bank of India Star SME Contractor Credit for meeting working capital needs. Purpose: for meeting working capital needs. Target group: civil contractors, mining contractors, engineering contractors, transport contractors, etc. established as proprietorship or partnership firms, limited companies. Line of credit by way of fund-based working capital limit, bank guarantee or letters of credit. Quantum of limit: minimum rupees 10 lakhs and maximum rupees 500 lakhs. Security: primary security, first charge on the unencumbered assets of the company or firm, both current and fixed assets. Margin on non-fund based limits. Security: collateral security, suitable collateral to be obtained so that asset cover of 1.50 is maintained. Insurance: assets charged to the bank to be comprehensively insured, covering various risks including civil promotions, and riots. The policies should be renewed from time to time and copy retained on branch record. Bank's interest to be got noted in the insurance policy. Separate insurance policy to be obtained for the mortgaged property. Eligibility. Engaged in the business line at least for the last 3 years. Having audited financial statements. Entry level credit rating should be SBS. No deviation to be considered. Margin. Minimum 20% for fund-based facility. Though the limit will be treated as unsecured, contractors will have receivables which should be charged to the bank and a margin of 20% maintained thereagainst. Minimum 15% cash margin for non-fund based facility. Appraisal of loan. 30% of last 2 years average turnover. Of this, two-thirds will be used for fund-based facility and one-third for non-fund based facility such as BG or LC. Rate of interest as applicable. Processing fee, documentation charges, commitment charges, etc. as per extent guidelines of the bank. Bank of India started MSME Education Plus loan. Construction, repair and renovation of building, purchase of furniture and fixtures and computers. Purpose, construction or renovation or repair of building. Approval for construction or addition or alteration from all the concerned authorities must be in place for considering the credit facility. Target group, educational institutes, that is universities, colleges and schools. Nature of facility, term loan. Quantum of loan, minimum rupees 10 lakhs and maximum rupees 500 lakhs. Security, primary security, hypothecation of assets if loan is considered for machineries or equipments. Mortgage of land and building over which construction is proposed. Security, collateral security. Suitable collateral to be obtained so that minimum asset cover of 1.50 is available. Guarantee of key person or promoter or trustee must be taken. Eligibility. The institutions must have got necessary approval from government or government agencies for running the educational institutions. They should submit 3 years audited financial statements. Eligibility. They should be profit making for continuous 2 years. New and upcoming educational institutions can also be considered in which projections, both financial and non-financial, must be reasonable and justifiable. Entry level credit rating is SBS 5. No deviation to be allowed. Rate of interest as applicable. Repayment period. Term loan to be repaid in maximum 8 years, inclusive of initial moratorium of 12 to 18 months. Periodicity of installment to be determined on the basis of cash flow. Processing charges as applicable. Bank of India Star Logu Uddami Samekit loan. Target group. Micro and small enterprises in rural, semi-urban, urban and metro branches. Purpose. Investment and working capital requirements. This product will be offered to those micro and small enterprises who require both working capital and term or demand loan. Nature of facility: composite loan in the form of demand or term loan. Quantum of loan: units located in rural areas, maximum amount of loan is 5 lakhs. Units located in semi-urban areas, maximum amount of loan is 10 lakhs. Units located in urban areas, maximum amount of loan is 50 lakhs. Units located in metro areas, maximum amount of loan is rupees 1 crore. Margin. Margin is 15%. Rate of interest as applicable. Security. Hypothecation of assets created out of bank finance as well as the existing unencumbered assets of the NSE unit. Equitable mortgage of land or land and building which is part of the business activities such as business premises. Guarantee cover under CGTMSE guarantee scheme. No collateral security or third party guarantee to be obtained. Repayment period. Loan is to be repaid in maximum 5 years with a moratorium of 3 to 6 months to be determined on the merits of the case. Processing and other charges as applicable. Bank of India trade receivables e-discounting system. Trades mechanism. Trades is an online mechanism for facilitating the financing of trade receivables of MSMEs through multiple financiers. It also enables discounting of invoices of MSME sellers raised against large corporate, allowing them to reduce working capital needs. It is an extended version of factoring on an electronic platform with multiple financiers. Facilitates provisions of finance against invoices. Provides standardized process for onboarding. Sellers deliver goods on credit, issue invoices called factoring unit (FU) and uploads it on trades. Buyers, corporate or PSEs log in trades and flag FU as accepted. On acceptance of FU, trades sends information to buyer's bank. Buyer's account is linked to FU. Sellers can opt for a bid quoted by the financier. Funds credited to seller's account on T+1 day basis. On due date, trade sends message for payment of due amount from buyer's account. Non-payment is treated as default of buyer. Financier has no recourse against NSE seller. Legally, FU is similar to physical instrument under NI Act or Factoring Registration Act 2011. Thank you very much for your patience.